Okay, now let's focus on how to type text in different elements. So I have the shapes already in my document. Guys, you can draw these elements with a circle tool, right? And this one with the polygon tool. Also, if you use a curvature tool, you can draw this element. Okay. Now let me pick type tool from here, and if I click over the circle path, then that shape is converted to text editor. Then you can begin to type paragraph text as you need. For the time being, let me copy some dummy text here instead of typing a bigger paragraph. So let's toggle to the internet, and in Google search bar type lorem ipsum. Then click this ipsum generator link, then from here let's copy this paragraph, and then toggle to the Illustrator document and copy over here. So you can tap Ctrl V. Now text are filled within that shape. Then I can tap Ctrl A to select all text. Then open character panel from here, and I can change the font size, font style, so on. So let me keep the settings as it is, and then from the paragraph panel let's click justify with last line option, and let's deactivate this hyphenation option. And in here, after justification, you can see in some areas there are too much space between characters or text elements. So guys, I can fix this as well. To do that, toggle to the justification option from here, and then turn on the preview mode. And in the glyph scaling section, let's begin to reduce the percentage values of these minimum and desired option until it's perfectly fixed the space between each characters. So guys, you can randomly play with these values to fix the space. Okay. Okay, so so it seems fine for me, and once I satisfy with the space, and then click OK. Right. Now let's click on the polygon path and tap Ctrl V to apply the same text. Now let me tap Ctrl A to highlight them. Then again toggle to the justification option in paragraph panel, and try to adjust the values here to fix alignments and space. There you go. And similarly copy the text again inside this element, right? And then again I can adjust the justification option from here. Okay. There we go. So guys, likewise you can type in any styles of the shapes, and I hope you got it. And now let's learn how to wrap text around an image. First let me delete these text objects, and with the type tool let me draw a text box, and text box is already filled with some dummy text or dummy characters, so I'm not gonna change them, and let's keep it as it is. And then from my image folder, let me drag this image into the Illustrator document, and reduce the size of the image from here, and okay, so keep it over here. and click this emmed option here. Later on guys, I'll discuss how to work with raster images in Illustrator. Now I want to wrap this text around this image. To do that, before that you always make sure the image element must be above the text layer or text object. So then with the selection tool, let's select both text and image element and choose object, text wrap, make. Now in here text are wrapped around the image, and if I move the image of text area, then you can see text are automatically wrapping around the image. Okay, so even if you change the size of the image or if you rotate the image, it doesn't matter, characters are wrapping around that image. Also you can edit the text box as well, so I can change the size of the text box, okay, and even I rotate the text box. I can play with many options. And also if you want to customize the text furthermore, you can use the character and paragraph panels here, right? And if I toggle to the object, text wrap option, and if I turn on the preview mode, and then from here I can set the offset for the text wrap. Basically guys, you can set the margin between the image and the text wrap around it with this option. So if I increase the value here, you can see the margin is increasing over here, okay. As well as if I choose object, text wrap, and release, then I can remove the text wrap and unlink the image. There we go.